Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to take a deep dive into the fascinating world of databases. And in particular, we are going to discuss about difference between SQL and NoSQL. It is very important topic to understand for every data professional out there because this could be your next interview question. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So first we will start with SQL databases. I hope everyone knows about what is SQL database because I hope already you have learned about MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server or any other databases out there. But let's discuss what is SQL. So SQL databases are meant to handle structured data. So the structured data means the data is stored in the tabular format. It is same like the Excel sheet where the data is represented as rows and columns. And this type of databases are still in demand because of their capability of handling complex transactions as well as whenever your data model is fixed, which means that if you are not going to make frequent changes in your data model, so for that conventional systems, SQL databases are still the way to go. And you already know about the examples like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, etc. etc. There are so many SQL databases out there which has like a rigid complex transactional capability as well as the reliability. Now let's switch over to the NoSQL databases because most of the guys really don't know what a NoSQL database is. So NoSQL databases is all about the flexibility it brings onto the table. It can handle semi-structured data as well as the unstructured data with ease. So there are various types of NoSQL databases out there. The first one is a columnar based database where the data is stored in the columnar fashion and the example is Cassandra database. The next one is a key value pair database which is also known as document database. So MongoDB is one of the most popular key value pair database or we can say document based NoSQL database in the market. And we have the graph databases where the data is stored as a nodes and relationships. So these are all the types of NoSQL databases. So you may ask which type of database is great for my use case. So if you talk about the use case where the ACID transaction as well as the complex queries are required on top of the database, then in that case SQL databases is still the popular choice and it is one of the most reliable databases out there. And on the other hand, if your data structure is in agile in nature, which means that your data model evolves over time, as well as if you are handling unstructured or the semi-structured data and you need like the massive scalability, then you only need NoSQL databases and it will be the ideal choice for your use case. So SQL strength includes the data integrity as well as the community support which it offers, but it will struggle to handle unstructured or the semi-structured data. And that's why NoSQL databases shines because it offers you the massive scalability as well as the agile development with ease. So with all said, there is not an obvious choice of which database is better. It's all about your use case as well as the compatibility. So first you have to analyze which type of data you're handling, at what scale, and what will be the data model. Is it evolving or it will not change frequently? As well as if you need ACID transactions capability, then definitely there is only one choice you can make. So this was all about a quick video on difference between SQL and NoSQL database. I hope you like this video. If so, please subscribe to the channel and also ring the notification bell to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching.